Good evening to all of you. In this video, I am showing about the how to install Dev C++ in our system. In the Google, you have typed the Dev C++ download and go to the first option, Dev C++ download, and here we are having the download option. Click on the download button. All the software is downloaded. Double click on this one. Click on yes. It will display the message like this one. Please wait while setup is loading. Unpacking the data 34%. Here we have to select the language. The language is English. Click on OK. This is the license agreement. We have to study this agreement. After that, click on I agree. Next, here this is a compiler. The latest compiler is a GCC 4.9.2 compiler. After that, click on next. After that, we have to click on the install button. Now the software will be extracted. It will extract all the .c files, .h files, .py files. All these are the extracting of the .h files. If you see this one here, all the .h files are extracted. Now click on finish. Now the Dev is loaded in our system, and this is our Dev C++ configuration. At the starting stage, we have to select the language. We are having the different languages. Dutch is there, Korean is there, Danish is there, French is there. We have to select the English language. Click on next, and after these are the fonts here. Okay, you can select the any fonts here. Next, after that, click on next. After that, click on OK. This is the Dev C++ window prompt. Whenever if you want to write any new program, we have to go with the file option. In file, we are having the new, and there is a source file. Okay, if you want to create any new program, you have to press the Ctrl N, or you can go with the file, and there is a source file. And here now we have typed the program. Here I am typing one simple program, hash include stdio .h. After that, void main, open brace, and I am writing the printf message. Printf, welcome to C. and lastly I am running the get ch semicolon. Now we have to save the program. To save the program, we can press the Ctrl S. Control S. Now we have to give the program name. For this one, I give the program name as the first dot C. This is my first C program. Save. And after, to compile this program, we have to go to the option which is called as the compilation. Means you can press the F9 button. Compilation. Now the program is successfully compiled. The errors are 0 and the warnings are 0. After that, now we have to execute the program. To execute the program, here there is a run option, F10. Compilation means F9, execution means F10. Here this is our message here, welcome to CVE displayed. And also one more thing is, if you want to do both the operations, compilation and running at the same time, then you have to press the F11. Whenever you press the F11, it will do the compilation and execution at the same time. The shortcuts are compilation for F9, execution for F10, and after that doing the compilation execution at the same time, F11. And if you want to increase the font size, okay, then you have to go with the tools and there is the editor option. In the editor option, here we are having the fonts. Okay, go to the fonts and here there is a size. We can increase the font size. Okay. Here I am giving the size as 12. Okay, click on OK. Now see this one here. Now the font size has been increased. Okay. Even we can change the colors also. In this way, we can save the programs and execute the programs and compile the program. If you update, this is the latest version of the GCC 4.9.2 64-bit release. This is our latest version. Thank you.